रंग बरसे भीगे चुनर वाली रंग बरसे. Happy Holi, guys! It's hardly 3 days to go for Holi, and I am super excited for my upcoming Holi party. And this year, I'll be making these beautiful and delectable Holi special idli bombs. And how's that even possible that I don't share the recipe here with my Dash of Delight family? So come, let's make it together. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to Dash of Delight and press the bell icon for more such amazing vegetarian and vegan recipes from all around the world. I've taken 1 cup of semolina. This is also known as suji or rava. For the ones who don't know, this is basically cream of wheat and is very easily available in any Indian store by the name of suji or rava. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Simple homemade curd will also do the job. Then add little bit of water in batches and make a thick batter out of it. Give it a good mix. Then once it comes to this lumpy consistency, cover it and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, take 1 carrot. This is a medium sized carrot. I'm gonna peel it properly, then wash it under running water. Then chop it into small pieces. You can also use grater or manual chopper for this process. Similarly, take a small bunch of spinach and chop this also roughly. Once both carrot and spinach are chopped, add them respectively into a small blender jar and make a fine paste out of them. Make sure the paste is not coarse at all. It should be really smooth and fine like this. Similarly, take the spinach also in the jar and make a smooth puree out of it. There we go. Alright, now it's been 15 minutes. So let's check our suji batter. See, this looks perfect. Now add salt as per your taste and mix it well. Do not add any water here as thick batter gives really dense and fluffy idlis. Now see, I have divided the batter into 5 equal portions. So this is 1 tablespoon batter in each bowl. And now comes the fun part. We are gonna color these bowls, the batter in the bowls, with absolutely natural, organic and super healthy foods. We are not even gonna touch any artificial coloring agents or food colors. So see, I have colored 2 bowls with the carrot and spinach puree we just made for orange and green color. Now in the third bowl, add a pinch of turmeric powder and mix well for that vibrant yellow color. So see, our beautiful yellow color is ready. Now in the fourth bowl, add half teaspoon of cocoa powder and mix well. This will impart a beautiful brown color. And now comes the fifth and the last one. We are not going to add anything in this as we will use it for white color. Now take 1/3 teaspoon of Eno fruit salt and add in each bowl. Be careful and add just 1/3 teaspoon only as the quantity of batter in each bowl is also less. Then activate the fruit salt by adding few drops of water to it. So guys, Eno fruit salt is very easily available in any Indian store. But if in case you don't find it, you can also add a combination of baking soda and baking powder. But if possible, take Eno only as it instantly incorporates the air into the batter, making it light and fluffy right away. So see, all our batters are absolutely ready. Now take an idli mold plate from your normal idli steamer and grease it nicely with oil. Then start adding half teaspoon of each color batter. Be careful and add just half teaspoon or even lesser batter of every color. Make sure not to overfill the mold. Rather keep some room for the idlis to fluff up when they are steamed. I'll fill and show you one more mold so that you get the process clearly. Also, I'll give you a very important tip here. Keep separate spoons for every bowl because if you will mix and use any spoon for any other color, you will end up ruining the color in the idlis. So just be mindful and add 5 different spoons for all 5 bowls. Alright, now steam these idlis in the idli steamer for 15 to 20 minutes. So that's exactly the way you steam your normal idlis. And that's it guys. Here comes our gorgeous, colorful and healthy idlis. Oops, no, not just the idlis. These are my Holi special idli bombs. Now let me show you how soft, dense and fluffy they have come out to be. Just look at this beautiful spongy texture. These are not only perfect for Holi festival but are also delicious taste wise. You can enjoy them with some peanut or coconut chutney by the side. So try this recipe, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget at any cost to subscribe to Dash of Delight for more such interesting vegetarian and vegan recipes. Wishing you all a very prosperous and happy Holi. Take care. Bye bye.